understand how people gain financial services in the UK, how they gain loans, and what those loans are put towards in an economy. There's a long-time analysis of the UK economy and its banking sector and its financial sector that loans are mostly made against collateral, and most of that collateral is housing worth. That means that a lot of people who may want to borrow money for all kinds of capital expenditures may find it difficult to access money if they don't have some form of housing collateral. But perhaps more importantly, if we need finance for the small and medium-sized enterprise sector, how do we bring about a financial structure that can provide loanable funds for that area?